Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect SolTrading bot to Phantom Wallet. Now, in case you want to check out SolTrading bot, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, in order to connect your SolTrading bot to your Phantom Wallet, you need to have the private key of your Phantom Wallet. So in order to get that, you need to click on the Phantom Wallet extension, and here you need to click on your profile icon in the top. Over here you need to go to settings, and in the settings you need to select your account. Now as you can see that currently I have only one account with my Phantom Wallet. That's why it is showing me one account, but if you already have created a lot of accounts, you just have to select that one account, the private key of which you want to basically import. After clicking on your account, you need to click on the show private key option. Here you need to enter your password and just click on this checkbox over here and press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you will be able to see your private key, so you need to copy that from the next page. Then you need to come to your SolTrading bot. Now over here you need to click on the wallets option, and here you will see the first option of connect wallet. So you need to click on connect wallet, and here it will ask you to enter your private key list. So here you need to provide your private key in this section and press enter. And afterwards, instead of the connect wallet option, you will be able to see your wallet that you have successfully connected, and afterwards you will be able to see the wallet that you have successfully connected with your Phantom Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.